The anthem of the season. Breaking down the Gore Richitanga remix. The streets are officially on fire. If you haven't heard the Gore Richitanga remix blasting from every speaker from Harare to Bulawayo, you might be living under a rock. This isn't just a song, it's a cultural moment that has captured the spirit of resilience and celebration. At Chero TV, we're diving deep into why this remix is dominating the airwaves and what makes it the ultimate soundtrack for your year. Why the hype? The original track was already a banger, but the remix takes it to a whole new level. Here is why it's trending. The collaboration. Bringing together different heavyweights has created a fusion of styles that appeals to everyone, from the Zimdancehall fanatics to the Afrobeats lovers. The message. Gore Richitanga, the beginning of the year season, resonates with anyone looking for a fresh start. It's about hustle, breakthrough, and claiming your season. The production. The beats are crisper, the bass is heavier, and the energy is unmatched. It's designed for the clubs, the commuters, and the backyard braais. The visuals. The music video, if you haven't seen it on our channel yet, is a masterclass in local storytelling. High energy, vibrant colors, and that unmistakable Zimbabwean swagger. It's a celebration of where we are and where we are going. This remix isn't just music, it's the heartbeat of the streets right now. It represents the grind and the glory. Chero TV Music Review. How to support the movement. Zimbabwean music is reaching new heights because of you, the fans. To keep the momentum going. 1. Stream it on official platforms to help it climb the charts. 2. Request it on your favorite radio stations. 3. Share it on your status and stories. Join the conversation. What's your favorite verse in the remix? Who do you think walked away with the best performance on the track? Let us know in the comments below. Follow the vibe. Keep it locked to Chero TV for more exclusive interviews, behind-the-scenes footage, and the freshest music updates in the game. Hashtag Gore Richitanga Remix, hashtag Zim Music, hashtag Chero TV, hashtag Support Local Music, hashtag Zimdancehall, hashtag Fresh Beats, hashtag Zim Trends, hashtag Music Update, hashtag Gore Richitanga.